If your Chime 2FA code is not working, the issue is often related to time synchronization. So just use these common fixes. Many 2FA codes are time sensitive. Ensure that your device clock is set to automatically update its time and time zone to sync correctly with Chime servers. Also, you must use the latest code. 2FA codes expire quickly, usually within 30 seconds. Make sure that you are using the most recent code that is sent to you and enter it promptly. Delete any codes from your inbox or message to avoid confusion. Now you can also check the correct inbox or number. Confirm that the email address or phone number you are using matches the one associated with your Chime account. Also, look in your email spam or junk folder. Ensure that the Chime notification number is not on your phone's block contact list. And contact your mobile carrier to ensure that your plan supports premium or short code SMS messaging from 6-digit numbers from Chime. And that's our fix. If your code or 2FA code is not working with Chime, and thank you for listening.